Welcome back to Pages Power. In this session, we are diving into Chapter 16 of Joseph Murphy's timeless book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This chapter is all about forgiveness, freedom, and healing, and I want you to listen carefully until the end, because the message here can set you free from years of pain, anger, and guilt, and open doors to peace and success you may have never imagined. Dr. Joseph Murphy writes, "To forgive is to give up resentment, to let go of bitterness, and to allow the healing currents of life to flow through you." Think about those words for a moment. How many times have you carried old grudges, replayed past hurts, or allowed anger to poison your peace of mind? Every time you do that, you are actually programming your subconscious with negativity, and it shows up in your health, in your relationships, and in your success. But here is the powerful truth. When you forgive, you set yourself free. Forgiveness is not about saying what the other person did was right. Forgiveness is about refusing to let their actions continue to control your mind, your emotions, and your future. Let me share an example. Imagine someone insulted you years ago. Maybe it was at work, maybe in your family, maybe in school. If you keep replaying that insult, your subconscious believes it is happening again and again. You feel the same anger, the same humiliation, the same pain over and over. But the moment you say, "I release this, I forgive and move on," you break the cycle. Your subconscious mind receives a new order: peace, strength, and freedom. Dr. Murphy reminds us, the only way you can forgive is to stop rehearsing the injury, to stop dwelling on what happened, and to choose to send out thoughts of love, harmony, and goodwill. This is not easy, but it is powerful. Forgiveness is also deeply connected to healing. Many people have carried resentment for years, and it has shown up as stress, illness, or depression. When they finally forgave, their health improved, their mind cleared, and their life began to move forward again. Let me give you a simple practice from this chapter. Whenever a negative memory comes up, say to yourself, "I freely forgive. I release this completely. I choose peace and love." Repeat this until your mind feels lighter. Do this daily, and your subconscious will slowly replace old bitterness with new harmony. Now let's make this very practical. Think of your subconscious mind like a recording machine. If you keep replaying the sound of anger, that is all you will hear. But when you record over it with words of forgiveness and peace, a new track begins to play, and that new track becomes your reality. Here's another example. Picture two neighbors. One of them spends every day talking about how unfairly he was treated by others. He is bitter, angry, and always unhappy. The other one chooses to let go. He says, "Yes, people hurt me, but I will not waste my life living in that hurt. I forgive and I move on." Which one do you think sleeps better at night, enjoys better health, and attracts more happiness? Clearly the one who forgives. Murphy explains that forgiveness is not weakness. In fact, it is strength. When you refuse to forgive, you are emotionally tied to the person who hurt you. But when you forgive, you cut the cord and regain your freedom. I want you to feel the power of that. Imagine all the people who have hurt you in the past. Imagine that invisible rope tying you to them. Now see yourself cutting that rope with the sword of forgiveness. Suddenly you feel lighter, freer, and more alive. That is the gift of forgiveness. And remember, forgiveness is not only for others, it is also for yourself. Many people carry guilt for mistakes they made long ago. But guilt is just another chain that holds you back. Your subconscious will punish you as long as you believe you deserve punishment. The moment you say, "I forgive myself, I release the past, I choose growth and wisdom," your subconscious accepts the command and begins to restore peace within you. So here's what I want you to do. Tonight, before you go to bed, think of one person, including maybe yourself, that you have not forgiven. Close your eyes and say, "I release you. I forgive you. I set us both free." Say it with feeling. Imagine sending them love and peace, even if they don't deserve it. You are not doing it for them. You are doing it for your own healing. My dear listeners, holding on to anger is like holding a burning coal in your hand and expecting the other person to feel the pain. You are the one who gets burned. Forgiveness is dropping that coal and choosing freedom. Murphy closes this chapter with a promise. Life always forgives you when you forgive others. When you let go, life begins again. So as you move forward today, I encourage you, don't let the past chain your future. Forgive quickly, release easily, choose peace daily, because your subconscious mind is always listening, and it will build your life based on the thoughts you repeat. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this chapter. If this message touched your heart, then subscribe to Page's Power for more wisdom from Joseph Murphy's classic and for more inspiration to awaken your true potential. Remember, forgiveness is freedom, and freedom is the beginning of a new life.